How to bold text on Facebook post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on What's on Your Mind at the top. After you click on What's on Your Mind, type what you want to type as bold text, and then select the text, and then click on Copy at the top. After you have copied the text, go to Google Chrome and search Bold Text Generator. Click on the first one and then paste your text in here. After you've pasted it, at the bottom you'll find the text in bold. Select all and copy it. After you've copied it, go to Facebook and then delete the previous one and then paste the bold text one. After that, click on Post at the top right and you're good to go. This is how to bold text on Facebook post. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.